Welcome back to my channel. My name's Jim. I hope everybody had a great Memorial Day weekend. I happen to be very busy, so I didn't do any video uploading over the weekend between barbecues and going to the beach. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this 1955 Chevy. I asked my wife what build would she like to see me do next after the tow truck, and she said 55 Chevy. So here it is, and it's an AMT kit. It says here 2-in-1. She does not want me to make it into a gasser, which I will do another 55 after this one to do a gasser because I can't help that. And I'll bring you down. I'll unbox right here. Be right back. Okay, so I thought I filmed the unboxing of this, and evidently my camera wasn't not recording, so there's nothing to cut open. But we're going to start over again anyway. Here's the chassis. Not too much. There's a little flash on, not much. It's got the built-in exhaust, which I hate. I don't know if I'll try to cut that out of there or not. Set that aside. Here's the bucket for the interior. It's not badly detailed. I've seen better. Front suspension. Here's the engine. Small block Chevy. Not sure if I'm going to be using it or not. We'll see. Radiator. Here's the front spindles. Has 3 different ride heights. I'm thinking about setting it down and making it more like a resto mod, which I hate that word, but anyway. Dashboard, back of the seat, back of the wheels. Scoop I will not be using. Some nice deep steelies here and some other front steelies. Rear diff, the hood. Little flash on there, not too bad. Fan. First chrome tree. Chrome diff. Looks like a fuel injected manifold. Like some nice 5-spoke wheels. Looks like 2 ends of a moon tank. It's like a chrome front spring. Some gas or exhaust. The rest of that rear differential in chrome. 2 ladder bars. Oh, front suspension. Straight front axle, that's cool. It's a tachometer there. Front shocks, there's the velocity stack for that manifold. There's the stock hubcaps. Nice chrome valve covers. Not sure what these 2 pieces are for. Some chrome legs, a center console, a nice chrome oil pan. Another rear bumper, front and rear nameplates or Chevy emblems. Chrome air cleaner, and chrome carburetor, and a chrome intake manifold. Stock Chevy grille, 2 more bumpers. Tail lights, custom grille it looks like, chrome fan. Some other chrome parts. Not sure what that would be on this build. Looks like more like for a station wagon. There's the front bench seat. Only comes with a bench seat. It's one of the metal axles for the rear. Nice set of decals. A lot of different license plates. And some pretty cool ones in there. I like some of them. Put that away so it don't get damaged. Tires. Comes with a lot of tires. Comes with these wide ovals, which are actually pretty nice tires. There's no nameplate on them, no names on them. But they're pretty nice. May use those. If you're looking for stock, it comes with 4 skinny white walls. Not bad. I'm not going to take this out. Here's the clear windows and also the tail lights. Here's the body. It's actually nice. Little cleanup on it, but not too bad. Not bad at all. As far as color goes, like I said, my wife picked this out for my next build, and she wants it blue and white. And what I've got is I'm going to be trying a tropical glitz. I've got a for the white part, Interstellar white pearl. It's actually a pretty color. And for the blue part, it's called Midnight Blue. It is like a candy. It should look good. Hopefully. Straightforward instruction booklet. Yeah, starting with the engine. Then going to the interior, then the wheels, then the rear suspension, front suspension, then start putting the body together. And then finishing all the trim on the body. It does state that this kit contains extra parts that may be used as desired for custom projects, which is pretty cool. And that's basically all there is to update on this unit. I'll be starting this very shortly. And I'm pretty excited. Of course, I wanted to build it as a gasser, but she wants it as a street machine. So, that's about it on this. I will be doing an update the next day or so on the Mobius tow truck build. It's coming out pretty nice. Until that, hope everybody had a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. We all know, Memorial Day is for the servicemen that we lost. Peace. Take care. Love everybody. Thanks for subscribing, liking, and commenting. Please comment. Comment will only help me out better. Take care.